Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to import LinkedIn profiles from Sales Navigator. To do this, you will need Derrick app. Derrick app is an extension of Google Sheets that helps you to create database, to clean database, etc., etc. And you will need Sales Navigator. So first, you go here to extension, you click Derrick, open sidebar, and you go to Leads, import LinkedIn profiles. And here, as you can see, Derrick asks you to put a LinkedIn Sales Navigator URL. It will be the link of your search. I will show you. So you go here, Leads. You go to Leads. You put your filters. For example, here I will go growth hacker. Go Paris. And here. That's it. Okay. This is my search. So I take this link. I go copy. And I paste it here. And I click import. And let's see what happens. Okay. First name, last name, full name, job title. And there you have the LinkedIn URL. And that's it. Now you have your list of leads from LinkedIn URLs. I hope you liked the video. If you have questions, you can ask them in comments. And if you like the video, you can put thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye!